Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 1st, 2022. We're going to talk about Fantom today and actually show you the data that says that Fantom may actually continue to go up in price. And in regards to the data, I'm talking about the price chart. I'm simply saying that the price is reflecting that Fantom is still geared to go up in price. And I wanted to make sure that I tell you all about it before the market actually moves. So welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can already see as I zoom in on the chart that I already have a price prediction on the chart for Fantom. I was telling you all then that I was looking for the price to go up. It did. And now the data is still showing that same type of information. So before I get started, go ahead, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm here to simply show you that you're able to predict prices without the confusion, without the complications that so many other people want you all to think you need to have just to be a profitable trader and or investor. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. Before I get started on the data, let me go ahead and talk about what happened the last time in my price prediction for Fantom. You guys can see it. May the 15th was the last time that I came through and told you all about Fantom, that I was looking for the price in Fantom to go up, and it did. So from May the 15th all the way until May the 23rd, that is where we got our ultimate TP price out the market in Fantom. You guys can see it's right there, 38%. If you guys haven't seen my last video in Fantom, I would recommend that you go back and listen and try to figure out how in the world did I predict that Fantom was going to go up here towards 50 cents and then begin to come back down, because that was the high. I mean, since May the 23rd, the market in Fantom has not been above 50 cents. So I told you all where to get in right here and where to get out before price in Fantom went down. Now let me go ahead and get rid of that. And now let's talk about the data, because the market in Fantom is still hovering. It's still trading above 27 cents. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to extend out that line. The line continues to tell me that the buyers are there holding the price. Like, they don't want to let Fantom fall below 27 cents. And as long as that's the case, then I'm still pretty much looking for this, if anything. I'm still looking for the market to trade like that, if anything. So even if the price in Fantom doesn't break out, doesn't explode higher, as long as market price stays above this horizontal line, guess what? Those chances are still on the table though. Let's go ahead and look at Fantom on the 2-day time frame. So you guys can see right here on the 2-day time frame, there's an issue. And I want to pinpoint and show you all where this issue is. This is where the market in Fantom is finding restriction. Okay, what does it mean? Well, it simply means that this is where the sellers are at. All of these 2-day price bars, right? And you're trying to tell me that the market didn't have enough energy to break above 45 cents? Like, what is keeping this price in Fantom from breaking 44 cents to the upside? Why can it not do that? The only reason has to be because there's sellers there. That's the only reason. Every time Fantom's price approaches 44 cents, it falls back down because there's a big sell wall right there. Somebody with a whole lot of Fantom is positioned right there at 44 cents. So let's try to determine, can the buyers take that out? Because if they're able to take out the sellers at 44 cents, then we can expect the price to continue to go up. So this is Fantom right here on the 2-day. So when I circle, on the 3-day. So when I circle all of these 3-day price bars right here, I want you all to combine all of that. What do you think all these days mean? When you combine it, what does it look like? Does it look like the market is still weak? Does it look like the market is still strong? Look at it on a 5-day. Okay. So what do y'all think? Are we still geared to see the market in Fantom go up? From my perspective, I think so. I still think that the market in Fantom is going to try to at least attempt 50 cents again. Look at this on a weekly time frame. Let's look at this on the month. Okay, because we completed the last monthly price bar in Fantom, and I wanted to show you all that this was the basis, right? From the month of May 2021, June, July, and August of 2021, the market support, market buyers came through. And I suspect that that was the same thing that happened last month in May. With all of this volume that came through, we're seeing some buyers trying to attempt and hold price above that 27 cent level. All right. So now I want to show you all this on the 5-month time frame. That doesn't look good. This looks terrible. So I would say in the next 5 months, I mean, we still need to be prepared and look for Fantom to possibly make all-time lows from 5 months. Because what happened here on this last completed 5-month price bar is massively weak. That's massive weakness right there. And we need to consider that the overall market in Fantom has not gotten rid of the weakness. Over the last 5 months, think about this. The price in Fantom was at $3. That was the high, $3.37. Just 5 months. And we went all the way down to 23 cents in 5 months. That's 82% range from high to low. Well, let's see. About 88. That's a 94% range from high to low. The market traded 94% from high to low over the last 5 months. That's crazy. So let me go ahead and get back to this. I want to look at this on the 3-hour chart because, again, I've identified where the market in Fantom is getting hit with some selling, with some weakness, and we got to be on guard for that. Okay, so we have to acknowledge that 45 cents will have to be one of those levels that we will have to take profitability. Okay, this is the 7-hour chart, and I'm still seeing some hints that sellers are still here in the market in Fantom. They're still here. Okay. So let me take this back to the daily. I'm still going to play some strength here on the chart for Fantom. Okay. I'm going to bring up my support area to around 30 cents now. And the first area for TP is going to be that 45 cent price. It's not a lot. It's 12% movement higher from where price currently is. That's pretty good. It's not bad. We'll take 12%. If the market's going to offer us 12%, we're not going to be in a way and say we don't want it. We're going to definitely take the 12%. If we're able to break above 44 cents, then we're going to try to hit for that 50 cent again. And that gives us another, 25.78% profitability in the market in Fantom. Now, outside of that, the market may have enough momentum to hit like 57, 58 cents. Okay. Bring it down just a little bit right there. That's another 30% run up. Okay. Now you guys can see I'm not looking for like no explosion, no massive movement higher. I'm just looking for the price to go up. I'm keeping it real. Like, I'm not really bullish, that much bullish in the market right now in Fantom, but I do suspect that it has enough energy to try to hit that 44 cent level, 50 cent level, and then ultimately around 54. Now, the higher we go up, the less likely that I'm not that sure that price will hit those levels, but 44, maybe 50 cents. Yeah. So now go ahead, give me your price target, price prediction in the market for Fantom. Let me know whether y'all think the market's about to go, because that's how you're able to win. That's how you're able to make money without the confusion, is by predicting. So go ahead and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.